for joining me today for another episode of Letters with Peggy Pig. That's me, Peggy. Are you ready for a question of the day? Okay, the question of the day is, how are my dinos feeling today? Tired? Happy? Excited? Energetic? Sad? You can say anything you want. Are you ready? Okay, go! Whoa, that's a lot of feelings at once. It's good to tell people how you feel, and it's amazing that you shared it with the dinos today. You did an excellent job saying how you feel. Okay, are my dinos ready for a brand new worksheet video? Remember, the link is provided below in the Show More button to print out the worksheets so we can do them together. If you can't, don't worry, we can do it together on the screen. Okay, let's do this. First, grab your favorite color crayon and write your name. Did I mention how great you are at writing your name? Your letters are so perfect. Now that we're done writing our names, let's read the directions. It says, pink X, what do you see? I see a silver X Ray Tetra looking at me. Let's read it one more time. Pink X, what do you see? I see a silver X Ray Tetra looking at me. What do we color the X? It says here pink X. Did you say pink, dinos? Great job! Grab your pink color crayon and let's color the X. Great job at coloring the pink X and finding out that the X is pink. Your brain must be working hard. You figured that out really quick, dinos. My dinos are doing so good at coloring inside the lines. It shows that you've really been practicing. Okay, now that we're done coloring the pink X, what do you think we are going to color the X Ray Tetra? It says, I see a silver X Ray Tetra looking at me. Did someone say silver? Great job, dinos. Just in case you need help, there's an X Ray Tetra to the right of the screen. The X Ray Tetra is coming out great, dinos. You're doing such a great job. I could tell you're really working hard on your coloring. Hey dinos, do you want to know why they call the X Ray Tetra the X Ray Tetra? It's because of its translucent body, meaning you could kind of see through their body. Isn't that amazing? Can you imagine if you could see through your body? Now that we're done coloring the X Ray Tetra body silver, let's color the lines blue, yellow, and pink, just like the picture on the right. And this will add a little pop to the X Ray Tetra. Whoa, look at that! It looks great! Let's read what it says on the bottom. X Ray Tetra is also known as the Golden Priscilla. Do you know what part it is now? It's our favorite part. We get to draw anything we want in the background, whatever your imagination tells you to draw. You've expressed yourself so well during the past couple of episodes. I can't wait to see what you are going to draw. As you can see, I'm drawing bubbles. Who loves bubbles? I love bubbles. Has anyone played with bubbles lately? No? Well, there's a trick to making bubbles. You can make them at home. Just get a bowl, get your dishwasher soap, put it in the bowl, then put water in it, swish it around, and grab your fingers and make a O and blow. You'll see how big your bubbles are. Or if you can, take them outside and enjoy. Now that we're done drawing the bubbles, I'm going to color around the bubbles in aqua blue. This way, it really makes the bubbles stand out. Isn't that nice? I can see my dinos thinking, what are you drawing for your background? Oh, that sounds amazing. You express yourself so well. I love seeing what my dinos draw. Great job, dinos! I love seeing your ideas come to life. Also, thanks for telling me how you feel today. It's very important to do so. I'll see you next week.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!